Hey, TazWorld! Pramod here, your financial guide. Today, let's unlock the secrets of the share market. It might sound fancy, but it's actually quite simple. Buckle up, because we're about to become mini owners of big companies. Imagine a company is like a giant pie. This pie represents the company's value, its worth. Now the pie gets divided into smaller slices called shares. Let's say the company is worth 10 rupees and has only 10 shares. If you buy one share for 1 rupee, congratulations! You now own 1/10 of the company, a mini owner. But where do you buy these shares? Enter the share market. It's a giant marketplace where people buy and sell these shares. You can buy shares of various companies you believe in, hoping they'll grow in value, making your pie slice share more valuable. Hold on. Not every company lists its shares on the share market. Only companies that want to become public and raise money from the public sell shares. Private companies are like exclusive clubs, not open for everyone to invest. There's more to the market than just shares. We'll explore other exciting investments like bonds and mutual funds later at TazWorld. So, the share market is a place where you can become a mini owner of companies and potentially grow your wealth. Pretty cool, right? Ready to dive deeper into the exciting world of finance? Stay tuned for more TazWorld finance concepts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more financial knowledge made simple. Let's make you a financial rockstar.